So here's how we're gonna scan documents into the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad, and let's get started. If you are new to Foxtecc, by the way, go ahead and subscribe right now because I have a lot of tutorials which you are gonna find helpful. Anyways, you can open up the Notes app and get inside of the note where you want to put it, or you can create a brand new one, of course. However, you just need to be inside in here, right? Make sure everything is set up. But essentially, you have the ability to tap on the three dots in the top right corner for more options to appear. One of the options there is the scan option, which allows you to position the document in a view, right? You don't even have to press the shutter button, as you can see that the document will be like captured automatically, detected by the camera right there. So you just need to hold it a bit and the document is going to appear inside of your a notes app, of course, and it's also going to be part of the note that you want it to be, right? So it depends. If it doesn't work properly, obviously you can go ahead and just capture it like that and then grab the corners to adjust it properly. Obviously you can do it manually if you need to. But once you have it like that, just confirm it by clicking the check mark icon, and it will then be part of your note. You can see that there is like a scanned document folder which you can open and close and whatnot, right? So yeah, it works well. It's great for organization and stuff like this, right? Obviously, you can also import documents from the Files app or other places. You don't have to just capture it through the camera to make it appear in the notes, but this is one of the ways you can do this. Now, let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.